It's been a great conference. Compared to previous years, there's been an increased focus on the people side. You can have the best technology and you can create all these dashboards, but if people aren't using them, you're going to get no value. This event gives you that holistic approach about where the industry is heading and how you should adopt your business strategy to unlock more opportunity.
Well, we've been invested in IQPC for a while now. We really appreciate the partnership that we have with you guys. So far it's been great. A lot of conversations, some good panels that we've sat in on as well. We always appreciate the different variety of speakers that you bring through.
Anywhere the conversation is around operational excellence, digital transformation around oil and gas organizations, that's a place that we want to be. Conferences like this are the conversations that we get to have outside the meeting rooms.
What I love about this summit is its format, because I feel like I have real conversations with people, and that's what's important to me. I want to make connections, and I want to learn something new, and I get both of that when I come.
The conference so far has been full of a lot of energy, very interesting dialogue. As the sessions start rolling throughout the day, people start creating themes, and they start building on those themes. They have the chance to network at lunch and meet with each other, and so you're starting to what you see at the end of the second day, and common dialogue around some of the challenges all companies are facing.
I like the idea that the exhibition booth was set up that you could actually get people to interact with them easily. We've had a lot of engagement with customers and that they're truly intentional to come to talk to us about their situation.
It's a fantastic opportunity to hear about what the industry leaders are doing with digital transformation and AI and what they're focused on to optimize their operations. We've heard lots of thought leadership. There's a lot of consistent themes. How is AI going to impact what we're doing and how we do things? And it's continuing to evolve so quickly that there's so much potential and there's a lot of great vision for it. So being here and listening to the industry leaders talk about that is a wonderful opportunity.
I kind of like the mix of sponsors between owners, IT, end users, frameworks, a lot of digitalizations. Instead of just traditional engineering construction companies, big clients, had to mix a little bit of everything. So had end users, beginning users, and obviously the clients themselves who are making the commodity and the product.
I've been attending this conference since 2017, and what I like about it is that it's designed to have enough variety in the interaction with the fireside chats, with the panels. We all get to learn from each other in a collaborative environment, an environment that is cozy enough for everybody to speak freely, and that's why I keep on coming back.